We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 6 of recently launched Exp22 course, focusing on ML2 Employee Wages 1.1. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wages 1.1. You can see project description here to get idea about your assignment. Moving to the first step, that is about Start Excel. Download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Wages. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. In this step, we have to just download and open the file. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about create range names based on the values in range I10 to I11. We have to just create range names based on the values that are in range I10 to I11. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to give the name I10 and I11 based on these values. So we will select this. Go to the formula tab for defining name. In define name groups, click on create from selection. We will select left column and click OK. Now we check that I10 has this name based on these values, and I11 also has this value based on this. Move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about edit the range name gross earnings so it display has gross. We have to edit this range names so it display has gross. We will copy this. Go to the Excel worksheet. We will select the gross earning. For edit this name, go to the define name. Here we will write the new name that we want to display. Click OK. Here it will display the gross when we click gross earning. Step number 4 is about apply the gross and total wages paid range names to the formula in cell I12 using the apply range name method. Now we have to just apply gross and total wages range names. Formula that is in cell I12. Go to the Excel worksheet again. Select the cell I12. In cell I12 we have this formula that subtract the I10 and I11. We will apply here defined range names. So select I10 and now select the I11. Press enter. It will display now define range names. Move to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is about load the solver add-in. If it is not available, set the objective cell to min total wages paid cell F13. In this step, we have to add the solvers. If it is not available, after loading the solvers, we have to set the objective cells to min total wages paid. Go to the Excel worksheet. In the data tab, we have solver and analyze group. Click on solver. We have to set objectives to min total wages paid, that is cell F13. So we will select here cell F13, total wages paid. Move to the next step, that is step number 6. Assign hours work range E5 to E12 has the changing variable cells. Now we have to set the changing variable cells from range E5 to E12. So here by changing variable cell we will select the range E5 to E12. Set it in changing variable cells. Move to the next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is about set a constraints to ensure our schedule per employee are whole number. Now we have to add a constraint that ensure that our schedule per employee are whole numbers. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here we have to add a constraint. So click on add. Our we are having to set constraints that our schedule per employee are whole number. So we will select the range E5 to E12 that are our hours work. Here we will select the integer that will ensure that it's add. Click add. Step number 7 is complete. Total step in this assignment is 13. I have done 7 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining step of this assignment, our help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance Management, Information Technology, and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in the description and display on screen and make deal. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.